This is a vortex. This is energy travel. This is the picture on the left that you have on screen. If this was pure energy, it would carry on travelling through a vacuum, unimpinged, and so would remain like this forever. But when energy meets matter, or another higher electrical barrier, it must go around it, and then it turns into the wave you see on the right, which is a rollover halo waveform. And now I will just demonstrate how this works. So this is a vortex, a double helix vortex of energy, or you could call it a Birkeland current if you want to describe it in space. Now, when it hits something, it does this. It turns into a horizontal wave, and it will do this to get around everything. And underneath, it turns back into vortices, as you can obviously see. Vortex, wave, vortex. And if I leave my hand there long enough, it would dig a hole and machine all the flesh out until there was a hole on the other side of my hand. And then the beam would carry on, and all this material would spin into the middle because it's energy, and energy attracts itself. And it would all spin into the middle and carry on as before as a vortex. So remember, that's what I'm showing you on screen, is a vortex that turns into a wave and grabs hold of another wave, which is hand-to-hand. Magnetic fields basically stick out of a magnet like that, and they try and grab hold of something from the other side that's doing this. And then there's obviously one here that's in opposition to this hand, my right hand, but I'm holding the camera, and that would be positive, negative, clockwise and counterclockwise. So you've got basically hands sticking out the end of a magnet, and that's what's on the end of a vortex, because it's many double leaders all inside each other. So there's not just 2 leaders in there, there's millions. But when you do that, it must turn into a halo wave and go around the object, as you can see, turning back into a vortex and then a complete vortex. So vortex, wave, vortex is how energy gets through an object, from atoms and lower to suns and stars and black holes. Thanks very much. My name is Lee. I follow the Christ Jesus, and he showed me all this in visions in 2014, and I'm showing you everything he shows me. Thanks a lot. Bye.